Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Are you in the market for a comfortable, easy to use, and very accessible gym bag? Well, then this gym bag by BECOJADDE is everything that you'll need. It has multiple pockets and compartments and even a wet-dry separation compartment for swimsuits or other wet items. It's got a very comfortable, adjustable strap that's easy to attach and detach, and the durable material and stitching all over it is so impressive. I know this bag is going to last me for years to come, and I also love that all the zippers are very smooth on all of the compartments. One of my favorite things about this bag is definitely how much stuff it carries. Again, with these wet compartments, I can put shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in there, and then in the main compartment, I can fit my towel, wash rag, all of my workout clothes, and it's even got a side pocket for makeup and deodorant and all of the other essentials that you'll need. And then there's the shoe department, so I can fit my nasty gym shoes in there nicely, and it zips up and I don't have to worry about anything getting contaminated or wet. It even has a little tiny pocket on the side that's perfect for your cell phone or earbuds or any jewelry that you don't want to lose. This bag comes in different sizes and several different colors, so if you're not particularly fond of purple, then you can find one that'll match your personality. I love the purple personally, but I'd like to try the blue or the green for my husband. So if you're in the market for a beautiful gym bag that meets all of your needs and does it with a little style, then look no further than this beautiful gym bag from BECOJADDE.
And that's my point of view.